Hello guys, my name is Gooseman. Today we're going to be cooking Casa Mamita chicken and cheese taquitos rolled in flavor tortillas. 15 large package made with cheddar cheese, good source of protein, calcium, and fiber. And they're chicken and cheese flavored, like it says there. And like I said, they're only $2. Really good deal for 15. I usually eat 5 of these every time, so it lasts about a week, 5 days. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna go ahead and get our pan because we're gonna be cooking these today. And my next video, we're gonna be eating them. So you're gonna have your pan right here. Like I said, I usually eat 5, so that's how much I put on my pan. So they're really easy to open. You don't need a knife or anything, but I'm gonna use a knife. I usually use the biggest knife I find. So just go. We'll open. We'll open. Cameron, come forward more. You get this knife action. Come forward more. Stab you. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright. So, money shot. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7 on here. So we're gonna go ahead and take 2 out. And let's put them apart a little bit. Actually, let's make 6. Yeah, let's make 6. I'm hungry today. Alright. And what I usually do to make it cooking faster, I'm gonna go to bake. Oh yeah, and there's ingredients on the back. If you guys have a microwave, then you're gonna put 3 of them on one plate, and microwave them for 1 to 1.5 minutes. And then you're supposed to really cook them for a minute, but when you're preparing 6 or more, you do 2.5 to 3 minutes. But for when you're doing it for your conventional oven, you're supposed to preheat it to 400. So let's do that. Bake. 400. See? Gonna press start on that, and then place frozen taquitos on a baking sheet in the center of the oven. You don't need a baking sheet, but yeah, see, I don't have one. They're gonna cook perfectly fine. What to do every time I make them? And you're supposed to bake them to 12 to 14 minutes until they're crispy. And then you're supposed to let them just sit there for a minute so they can cool off and not burn your face off. We're gonna put our taquitos back in the freezer. Although you don't want to freeze them or else it'll go bad. So instead of waiting for this thing to preheat, what I usually do, I just put them in there. And then usually when it's preheated to 400, you have to wait maybe 1 minute. And then your lunch will be done. So I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys whenever the food is ready.